aming room. Ito yung dining area nila. So, mayroon silang tube. Mayroong microwave at oven. May thermos, may kape. So, mayroon silang coffee maker. And a little bit of fruits. So, ito naman ang kanyang dining table area. So, may big TV. So, makikita mo dito sa labas. It's nice place to see. Okay. So, there we go. So, dito naman ang aming room. So, ayun na, nilagay ko na yung aming gamit. So, ito yung room. Yan. Wow! Outside, you can see. Tomorrow morning, papakita ko sa inyo. Dalawa lang kami ni Tabish dito. Okay. So, ito naman ang aming mga lagayan ng gamit. Mayroon siyang safety box. Hangiran. Of course, may mirror. Yung toilet. Yan.